Hello and welcome back to ZPA Unpacked. In this video, let's review a customer case study who largely benefited from ZPA's advanced FQDN to IP policy solution. So let's learn more about this customer. Let's look at their background. Now, this customer, a global enterprise, operates roughly 900 business units with extremely dynamic DNS architecture and landscape, and thousands of DNS changes occurring daily. So you can imagine the scale here. And to add to the complexity, the FQDN domains are shared across their business units. They do get resolved through fragmented DNS architecture as well. Now, estimated more than 500,000, 500K plus FQDNs are spanning across this enterprise. So, what were their challenges? One of the major challenge was that their unstructured DNS architecture made zero trust segmentation almost impossible. The customer couldn't create a BU business unit specific segmentation because application specific FQDNs were unknown and unavailable. No one knew what were those specific FQDNs because they changed dynamically, rigorously. Now, broader wildcard domains which overlapped across these multiple business units also couldn't be distinguished, right? They were using shared domains across the board. This fragmented DNS ownership eliminated the visibility and control. And because of this, the FQDN-based access model couldn't be applied due to these DNS architectural limitations that I've been talking about. So let's take a look at the Zscaler's solution. How did we fix this problem? What was done to achieve the goal? What was the outcome? So Zscaler addressed this by deploying the ZPA's advanced FQDN to IP policy solution, the very much solution that we've been talking about. Now, this solution helped combining the FQDN wildcards and the resolved IP-based granular segmentation with policy checks. This enabled the customer to enforce the required business unit level segmentation, even with the shared DNS domains, the fragmented DNS architecture, which led to significantly reducing over permissive access caused by these broader wildcards, the domains, and the large IP addresses, the ranges from RFC 1918 or supernets that were being deployed. Most importantly, the customer was able to deploy the zero trust access controls with the combination of FQDN plus the IP that gets resolved from these FQDNs is then matched against a granular IP-based app segment as a combination of a policy check. Now, with this approach, they were swift to move ahead even without having to re-architect their entire DNS immediately. And while establishing a scalable zero trust environment, like I said, retaining their extremely dynamic FQDN based model. Thanks for watching ZPA Unpacked, where we learned about ZPA's advanced FQDN to IP solution. Let's continue the journey towards zero trust. We look forward to connecting. If you have questions, we would love to hear your thoughts. To learn more, scan the QR codes displayed on the screen, contact the Zscaler ZPA team, or even request a demo to get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick insights. Thank you.